here at Hammer Tech Race Cars, and it's Wednesday, and you know what that means. It's time for...
What is not your problem? Wednesday.
I've got my special guest, Junior Hammer Tech Race Cars.
What is up, guys? I'm Junior Hammer Tech Race Cars, and I'm my dad's buddy.
Yep, definitely my buddy, my special co-host. We're doing a short little sweet episode for you guys today, talking about what's not your problem, right?
Yep.
Now, before we get started, let's talk about our value exchange. Our value exchange is really simple. We're not asking you to buy anything. We're not asking for money. All we ask is that you share our content.
Yeah, and we love you guys appreciating us.
Yeah, we love it so much. When you guys share our content, it means the world to us. Liking our channel, subscribing to our YouTube stuff, it helps grow our content to where we can get more eyes and put some more positivity out in the world, because that's what we're all about, right? Spreading positivity.
Yep, and we love you guys. Bye.
We're not done yet. We're not done yet. All right, let's do, let's see. What's not your problem? Did Santa come to you?
Yeah.
He did?
Yeah.
What did he bring you?
He brought me a Nintendo Switch case thing, and he got me the Outlaws game.
Yeah, the Street Outlaws game for the Nintendo Switch. It's really cool, isn't it? Who's your favorite on there?
Farm Truck and Asian.
Farm Truck and Asian? Oh yeah, they're pretty funny on there, aren't they?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And Farm Truck is my favorite one on that game.
Yeah.
Because he did a wheelie 10 feet off the ground.
Oh, you did? 10 feet off the ground? That guy's crazy.
Yep, and he made a video, and he was on a boat with his truck, and I tried playing it, and I did, so it was pretty fun.
Yeah.
So, and I get to pick my very own character on that game.
That's right. You get to pick your own character, your own car. It's really cool, isn't it?
Yep, and I got the Sonic Mega.
The Mega Sonic game that's got all the Sonic games?
Yep.
Those are the best.
Mhm.
We used to play those when I was a kid. Sonic's really cool.
And we got Mario Kart Live that shows us our house.
Yeah, that's really cool.
Yeah.
Where you set up the course and it drives around the house and you can set up obstacles and drive around.
Yeah, and you can see where you're going on the TV. You don't even have to follow it.
Yeah, it's really cool, isn't it?
Yeah.
So,
And I got a drone that you put your hand under it and it follows your hand.
Yeah, that's really cool too.
Yeah, and it can do a backflip.
Does backflips? That's super crazy, man.
Yeah.
Sounds like you
and
had
I
a
got
really
a
good...
laser tag.
Oh yeah, laser tags. Laser tags are super fun.
Yeah, and my dad always beats me on that game.
Ah, it's because I'm the best at it.
Yeah, and you have a very good aim.
So we had a really good Christmas, right? What else is not your problems? I know you've been practicing welding. Are you getting better at welding?
Yeah, I'm just doing good on welding because it's pretty easy.
Yep.
It's pretty simple.
Yeah, you're doing good, man.
Yeah.
I like it.
Yeah. So you get a pedal, and then you get the cord, and you make it go all the way up, and then you see that pointy thing.
Yep.
Then you put it on the middle, and then you push the pedal down, and then it starts welding.
That's right.
So it does weld stuff together. But if you use a drill and you put it on the metal where you weld, it does something pretty cool. the metal, the welding goes down and it looks like a waterfall with meld.
Yeah, it does, doesn't it? It's really cool. Welding's so much fun, isn't it? Yeah, definitely. So, what are we going to talk about?
I want to share a secret.
Okay, tell me the secret. Nah, we're not going to do that. These guys already know that you're Cal Naughton Jr.,
Yeah,
right?
and you're Ricky Bobby.
I'm Ricky Bobby?
Yeah.
Because if you're not first, you're last. So, what else are we going to talk about? What's not our problem? We got lots of cool stuff going on in here, right?
Yeah, I know something.
What? Tell them what's going on in the shop today.
So what is not our problem is that we don't have issues on things that we do.
we don't have issues on things we do. Like projects. We got a lot of projects, a lot of cool projects, right?
Yep. And we got some posters up there.
Yep,
we got
all the companies that we work with sending us banners and some swag, right?
Yep. We got a poster with a S on a shield.
Yep.
And we got a poster that we have a flag and it says pro on it.
Yep.
And we have a flag and we have a window to my playhouse and
we got the American flag, right?
Yep,
That's
American
what it's all
flag.
about. USA. Right?
Yep. And we got a poster that has a fire coming out with a B and a star for the eyes.
Yep.
And we got one of our posters like this.
The Hammer Tech poster, right?
Yep. And we got Ben Shetty's car over
the
there.
63 Vet diesel powered Pro Mod.
Yep.
This is the coolest, man.
Yep, and my car on my game, my car goes faster than his.
Oh, don't tell him that. He's gonna have to bring it back so we can make it faster, huh? You've been called out, Ben. Brody's got the hot rod to beat you now. So
maybe sometime I can race you.
Yeah,
Ben.
let's set that up. Let's race him.
Yeah.
You want to?
Yeah, me and Mitty Draxler and Ben in his car.
Oh yeah, that would be super awesome.
Yeah.
Yeah, sounds like a plan.
Yep, I'll smoke him.
Yeah.
When he's right by me, I'll go like, pew!
Yeah.
Like Sonic. You haven't seen me driving.
So
Like
that's some
these
of the things that we got that's not our problems here at the shop.
Yep.
And we just wanted to share that with you, do a short little video. Got my special co-host. Thanks for helping out. Had a lot of fun today. So we're going to send you guys off. You know, if this video helped you bring some joy into your life, you know, spread some back. You know, leave a comment. Tell us about what's good in your life, what's going on. And this will be the last one of 2021, the crazy year of 2021. We're going into 2022 with a lot of positivity, right?
Yep.
We're going to take it over, aren't we?
Mhm. And if you guys have a birthday in January or February, we'll wish you guys a happy birthday.
That's right. So
And
that's
I have a birthday in April.
in April. That's right. It's coming up.
Yep. And April 9th is my birthday, and on April 8th, I'm gonna celebrate it.
Yeah, it's going to be so much fun.
Yep, and I'm gonna go to Disneyland.
Disneyland. Okay, we'll see. All right. So that's all we got for today. We're going to share a little bit of our content, bring some joy into you guys' life. So, like always, I appreciate the support. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next year.
Love you guys. Bye.